A policeman and 3 other males are in custody, facing charges relating to an illegal gun, Praedial larceny and robbery. The 4 were arrested in rural Clarendon early Sunday morning after the police foiled an attempt to steal goats. Details from Dwayne Anderson.
The lush green vegetation in Morgan's Pass in northern Clarendon is perfect for raising goats. But unfortunately, it's not only farmers who know that. Thieves are also aware of the animals grazing in the area. Between Saturday night and Sunday morning, 4 thieves visited the Morgan Pass community. But quick action by the police thwarted their plans. The police say around 3:40 a.m., officers intercepted a grey Toyota Probox motor car with 4 men aboard. Also aboard the unit, 3 goats, which the men could not properly account for. A search of the vehicle also reportedly turned up a Glock 19 pistol with 12 rounds of ammunition, 2 cell phones, a laptop, and a 1-strap bag. The story then took a twist. One of the 4 suspects arrested was a policeman. The 22-year-old police constable is attached to the Specialized Operations Branch. He is facing charges of robbery, possessing a prohibited weapon, and Praedial larceny. 2 of the remaining 3 suspects are teenagers, one as young as 17 years old. All 4 males are from the same community, Rectory Land in Mapen, Clarendon. Now, when the policeman was taken to his home for a search, he reportedly tried to escape by jumping through a window, but he was quickly recaptured. Farmers are frustrated.
If we can get them near enough free reach, so them going to go in and unlock. My daughter passed through high school and I couldn't tell me how. And I have to money to pay for him and then thief go in night. And go with the meat. You can imagine how you feel in time there. You have a lot of money to send him out to pay for him to go to school. A 5 goat then take it for me. Same place up there, sir.
It's first time me experience this. Me have 2 cows. And me tie them on a tree in the night. And when me come back the morning, the tree stand up there and the cow then gone. Me no know. From that me kind of stop and then one next brethren give me a cow again for raise. And me raise if you get a calf. You know how much years me have to raise a cow to get a calf. And then a man come back again, come take it away. Me still have to go back and raise one next one again and now me have in my bush and me not stop.
They are particularly shocked that a policeman was among the thieves.
Policeman now, if you know, he should have know better because he my law. Then what example he must set for the next man and we are thief now? And you know you're a lawman and you gone in a certain situation and you are work and get money and you gone thief man things. Now man, you forget all that punishment.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.